AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against USD, and this analysis can also be used for NZDUSD. So you can watch the video till the end. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. So you can go and check out these links, join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers and the prop firm right here. Sign up and open a new account, because if and when you will be trading with my signals, only trade with my signals in that account. So go and check out all these things, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here. As I said, you can use this analysis for NZDUSD as well, because I don't report separate videos for NZDUSD. So starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are on the EMA, so weekly doesn't give us any idea what's going to happen, but we have a long wick rejection coming, so probably we might continue going up. Time will tell. This is only the first day of the week. So let's come to the daily chart. In daily chart, we went low. We did cross the EMI today, and it's like 2.5 hours to go before the US market closes on 23rd of June. Okay, so it's like 2 hours to go before the market closes on 23rd of June, and we did go all the way down. Then the buyers came into the market, and then we are creating a long wick in daily chart, as you can see. And my guess is that we will probably close above the EMA by the end of the today. Okay, so maybe in 2.5 hours, this candle which you see right now, below the EMA, I'm guessing that we will have a wick, rejection from the EMA, and this blue candle will close above the EMA probably. I'm guessing that. If not, then this will just close below the EMI, and that will be the maybe the confirmation of the coming downtrend. But it's too early to say. For me, it looks like we will continue the uptrend. That's what I think, because we have a long rejection here. Then the candle will probably close above the EMA, and then tomorrow onwards will go up. Time will tell. Let's see what could be our entry in 4 hour. 4 hour we are going up already. Okay, so here we have two possibilities. Quite cool, right? Okay. So yeah, we have created a new low. Okay, so this was the downtrend, pullback, new low, pullback, and then new low. Two possibilities. There are only two possibilities in trading: win or lose, or buy or sell. Okay, so here we will either be taking a pullback and we'll continue the downtrend, or else we will break this high and we will carry on the uptrend. Okay, so be ready for both the possibilities. First case scenario, let's talk about the continuation of the trend, which is down right now in 4 hours. So if it is supposed to go down, then you will have the rejection from the EMA. Okay, so there will be next blue candle which will touch down this EMA, and then it will reject it, and then there will be a confirmation next red candle. So blue candle touching this EMA, the next candle will be red candle eating that previous blue candle, and that's where you will enter sell, and you will take your profits right here. Okay, that's situation one. Second situation is that the blue candle will continue going up. There will be no red candle, and the new high will break the previous high, and the candle will close above the EMA. Okay, so if this high is broken and the candle is closed above the EMA, blue candle is closed above the EMA, in that case you have to take long after the pullback. Okay, so let this high break, then wait for the pullback, then blue candle, and then you go long. Okay, so again, if rejection comes from here, then you have red candle, then go short. But if this high is broken, then go long after pullback, and same for NZDUSD. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, blah blah blah, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care.